Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell OptiPlex machine. We're looking at the OWC 32GB DDR4 3200MHz memory module, specifically designed for compatibility with several Dell models, including the OptiPlex 5080 Tower, 5090 SFF, 5090 Tower, and 7000 SFF, as well as the 7071 Tower. This isn't just any RAM. It's a PC4-25600 module with a CL22 latency, operating at a cool 1.2V. It's a 288-pin non-ECC UDIM, which is crucial for ensuring compatibility with the specified Dell OptiPlex systems. Now, why would you consider upgrading your RAM? Well, if you've noticed your OptiPlex slowing down, especially when multitasking, running demanding applications, or working with large files, RAM is often the bottleneck. Upgrading to 32 gigabytes can make a significant difference, allowing you to run more applications simultaneously and handle larger workloads without experiencing frustrating lag. The 3200 MHz speed is also a key factor. It dictates how quickly the RAM can transfer data to and from a CPU. A faster speed like 3200 MHz can lead to noticeable improvements in overall system responsiveness, especially in tasks that are heavily reliant on memory bandwidth. The CL22 latency refers to the delay between when the memory receives a command and when it executes it. Lower latency is generally better, but it often comes at a higher cost. CL22 is a decent compromise, offering a good balance between performance and affordability. The fact that this OWC module is non-ECC, non-error correcting code, is typical for desktop systems like the OptiPlex. ECC memory is primarily used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. For everyday use, and even most professional applications, non-ECC memory is perfectly adequate. The UDMM, unbuffered DMM, designation simply means that the memory module is unbuffered, which is the standard for desktop PCs. This type of memory is designed for optimal performance in these systems. Installation is generally straightforward. Consult your Dell OptiPlex manual for specific instructions on how to install RAM. Make sure to power down your system completely before you begin and take necessary precautions to avoid static discharge. Overall, the OWC 32GB DDR4 3200MHz memory module is a solid upgrade option for compatible Dell OptiPlex systems. It offers a significant boost in memory capacity and speed, which can translate to improved performance in a variety of tasks. If you're looking to extend the life of your OptiPlex and improve its responsiveness, this RAM upgrade is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.